Hey YouTube, I just got my Broad's exhaust, and I'm gonna do a sound check with the stock before I make the change. And so let's do that. Got an application here that I downloaded. It's a free download. So we'll see. I'm just trying to get a baseline. And I think it's supposed to be like within 45 degrees or 20 inches away, 45 degrees. So as you can see here, I'm gonna this is kind of picking up the max, and it will hold on to it, but as you can see, you can run, it's about 94, 95, but sometimes it gets to 98. Okay. And this is 2012 ZX14. Okay YouTube, here it is, the unboxing of the alien head from Box Performance for 2012 ZX14R. We'll open up right now. I haven't seen what's in the box, so this is gonna be first time with you. One side. This is a slip-on, by the way. It's not the full system, so I'm getting one for each side. And I got these are the connectors. Okay, and of course everything you need for the hookup. Okay, cool. I believe this is going to be the right side, because I know the left side doesn't have this hookup, so this is the right side. Oh, how beautiful, look at that. Wow, nice, cool. Okay, this is the right side, and oh, that's interesting. There is, I guess there's a hookup on both sides. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely the left, even from the orientation of the logo and everything. So that's the left side, and this is the right side. We'll see where this will hook. Okay, pretty cool. Okay, and this is, I think, what you need to connect to the header. Okay, beautiful, nice finishes. Okay, 1, 2, 3 springs. I'll figure out which one we're going to use this for, and it looks like there's a bracket, and this the tool probably to stretch the springs and put it on the muffler. Okay, we'll work on getting it on, and then we'll have a continuation of this video, and this way you get to compare the sound of the alien head, the slip-on alien head, after we have it on the bike, and compare it to the stock exhaust. And I'll utilize the same DP software I used with the stock exhaust. We'll put it in the same place. Okay? Alright, I'm excited. Okay, we'll talk to you in a bit. Bye. Okay, this is a continuation to show the Brock's performance exhaust after the installation on the 2012 ZX14R. Here it is. That's the left side, and we'll just go around real quick. And this is the right side. Okay, and just to point out, of course, the fitment of the exhaust was perfect, with the exception that when the exhaust came, it came without instructions. So it's fairly simple if you look up the video online from Brock's Performance that shows the installation of the full system. You'll see that you really don't need to remove any of the body work. I think the only thing that you need to remove is this belly pan. There are 2 screws here, and then the same 2 screws on the other side. So you remove this, then there's a clamp to remove the stock exhaust. Then you can slip your slip on easily, and and then you put back the bolt, the stock bolt with the stock exhaust, and that's pretty much it on this side. To fit the pieces together for the slip-on, use of WD-40 is definitely helps to get them easily on. Now on the left side, that's a little bit tricky, and if you look on this side here, what's tricky about it is there's no the bolt on or the stock bolt on the other side doesn't really exist. So what Brock's Performance did is they provide you with a plate and a bolt that are extra, and you will have to install, as you can see here, the bolt and the plate. The plate is in the rear set, so you remove the rear set, you put the plate right behind it, and it will have this area here where you can bolt your exhaust. So this is really the process. It's fairly simple. I think you can whip that out in about maybe 30 minutes and you will be done. Okay? Okay, now let's hear what it sounds like. The bike is extremely cold. I haven't started it for the whole day, so we'll hear the sound. It's a beautiful, beautiful sound, I'll tell you.